Welcome on official Wondershare PDFelement channel. Let's get started. Your PDF is finished and then you notice the signed page is still sitting on the desk. We'll add the page on Android and iPhone. Put it in the correct position and check the updated PDF before sharing it. The two apps don't use identical menus, so I will show each phone separately and use the same 4-page form on both. On iPhone, we can add a blank page, scan a sheet, choose a photo, or insert a document from file inside the page organizer. Android handles the same job with a slightly different route. Let's start on iPhone. Open the existing PDF and PDFelement, then tap the Organize Pages icon at the top left. The document changes to a thumbnail grid, then tap Add in the top menu. You will see blank page, scan, photos, and files. Choose the source that matches the page you need. For this missing signature page, choose Scan. Place the paper on a flat, contrasting surface, hold the phone directly above it, and capture the page. Adjust the detected edges so the full signature and any dates remain inside the frame, and then tap Save. The scan is inserted as a PDF page instead of becoming a loose image in your camera roll. If the page is already photographed, use Add, then Photos, select the image and tap Add. For a page stored as document, choose Files, Find It, and tap Insert. A blank page is useful when you need room for notes or a later addition, and choose Blank Page, select the insertion position and confirm. Back in the thumbnail grid, press and hold the new page, drag it to the correct location, and release it when the insertion marker is where you want it. Tap Done to finalize the order. Open the page at normal size and check that it's upright, readable, and not covering any existing page. And now, let's move to Android. The labels and layout changes here, because apparently one universal page button was too peaceful. The goal is the same. Open the PDF, add the missing content, and then organize the result. In PDFelement for Android, open the PDF and tap Pages on the bottom toolbar. Tap Add at the bottom left to insert another document. Choose Files and select the PDF you want to add. You can also reach the page tools from the home screen by tapping the 3 dots beside a file and choosing Organize Page. For a physical sheet on Android, create the page first, return to the home screen, tap the plus button, and choose Scan. Capture the paper, adjust the page, and confirm with a check mark. If the image is already in the gallery, choose the photo instead, select it, and tap Import. PDFelement creates a small PDF from the scan or photo. Reopen the original PDF, go to Pages, tap Add, choose Files, and select the PDF you just created. Review the thumbnails and move the inserted page into position. If it's sideways, select it and tap Rotate. When the document is organized, use More and Share to save or send the updated file through the destination you need. Here are both finished documents. Each one now shows 5 pages with the signed sheet between the form and the final instructions. On iPhone, the available sources sit directly under Add and Organize Pages. On Android, Pages and Files provide the insertion route, while Scan or Photo can create the page first. PDFelement keeps the final review and organization inside the same workflow. If this video was useful, save it and don't forget to subscribe.